Okay, so we say we want to use the Bezier tool to sketch this eyes, the eyes of this emoji that is like the heart symbol, and the mouth. So we click on the Bezier tool. Look at the Bezier tool here. Click on the Bezier tool. Just like what we've learned the features of the Bezier tool, all these features, things that you can use to work with the Bezier tool. From this one, if you want to add another Bezier tool, you add, and the number will change from 1 to 2. From there, you can just click the arrow to choose the one we are going to work with. If you don't need it, you click the minus sign and remove it. If you want to duplicate, you duplicate. So, but we are going to use one to work. We are going to sketch this heart symbol here, the heart symbol that's represent the eyes of this emoji. All right, let's get started. I use my zoom tool, zoom it so that I can see clearly. Then I click on the handle of the thing. Okay, I lift the Bezier tool to the direction where I want. I click on the node so that I can control it. Click here, click on the node again, carry it, adjust it. Oh, let me bring it down here. Okay, click on the node. All right, now I zoom it again, then click on the node. Now what I want to do is I'm going to sketch this. I want to sketch this, so I bring this one here, the starting point, to the bottom of this heart symbol. Bring it to the bottom of this heart symbol. I try to control it. Let me reduce the thickness of this stroke, the stroke width. I reduce it to 3. Okay, let me bring it. Yes, keep it at 3. Now I try to control this. You can see what I am doing. Now, since the arrow is pointing up, remember that you add nodes according to the flow of the arrow. So I have to click here to add another node. If I want to add another, I click on where I want to. So I click there to add another node. I click there and click on this under Bezier mode, this node plus. I click there. Once I click there, it means it is telling the Bezier tool that it should be ready, where once I click, it will add another node. So I click again. You see the another node is added. Once you add another node, what you have to do is to come back to click on this Bezier node here, so that you can manipulate this one too. All right, so you see, you manipulate it. If you need to increase the zoom, you need to zoom so that you see clearly. You can zoom it, manipulate it till you get the shape you are looking for. You get the shape you are looking for. Okay, I'll add another node there. Yes, I click on this to manipulate it too. And then I wish to close it. I just come to this under actions, these tools here. I click on this close tool. Once I click on it, I come here to manipulate it, adjust it to the shape that I want. Use these handles to control it. Okay, I think I've gotten what I needed. All right, that's it. Now let me fill the color. What you have to do is under this fill, you increase the opacity to 100% and do what? Fill in the color. Just give it a red color. Give it a red color. Is that red color? Color red. Give it a red color. Now you can even reduce the stroke and remove the stroke. And okay it. Now can you now see it? Look at our heart symbol there. Let me use this tool to move it. Look at it. We've been able to do what? To sketch from that emoji. Been able to sketch it there. So we've sketched it. Look at it here. You can increase the size. You can resize it if you want to fit it in. Alright, that's it. So we are going to use the same tool, Bezier tool, to sketch this mouth. You can duplicate it as well. Now, if you want to edit it, once you click on it, you see edit at the left corner of the screen of your screen. So you just go there. You want to edit it. Now let us duplicate it. I duplicate it. Use the lift tool to lift it. Alright. Now you can now use this rotate tool to do what? To rotate it. Can you see? Rotate it to fit in. Alright, let's sketch the mouth. Still go to your Bezier tool. Remember how you do it. Go to your Bezier tool. Click on this node icon. Reduce it. You can click on this lift so that you can carry it to the position you want to use it. You control it. Remember the flow of the Bezier. It flows from the arrow from left like this to right. So that's what we are going to do. Alright, let's pick our zoom to zoom it. Alright, then adjust it. I need to continue to adjust it so that you can see if you can get what you want. Okay, let me start from here. You can just start from anywhere, but make sure you adjust it till you have the shape of what you want. Alright, I click there, add another node. I add a node there. Sorry. I add a node there. I use that node to work. Even as I adjust this one, I use this node to work. Sorry, zoom it. So I use this node to work. At this point, I want to add another node. I add another node. Use the node to work. So use the node to work. Adjust the node. I want to add another node. But I want to close it. So you keep on manipulating it till the thing gives you what you want. Just keep on manipulating the nodes till it gives you what you want. Click on the nodes and manipulate it. You can change the color so that you can see what you are doing. Let me change the color. Not the fill color. The stroke color. Okay. Change the stroke width to 3, so that you can see what you are doing. Any color you want to change it to. So you see, we've been able to sketch the mouth of that emoji. Fill color, we can give it, let's give it a fill color. Let's put a gradient color. Okay, can you now see what's happening? Stroke width, you may like to maintain it, or you may like to remove it. All right, and that is it. That's how to use Bezier tool to create some shapes, some basic shapes. You can go ahead and be using it, try to use it to create some basic shapes like that. All right, bye bye.